Hi everyone! Today we will take a look at some use cases that are supported by InsightLoop across the entire service process. Each use case can already lead to significant cost savings for your organization. So let's get started. The use cases start with the end customer, who can solve many problems by using a customer-oriented assistant. In the service center, the remote resolution rate can be increased remarkably with the right access to knowledge. Many tasks can be fully automated, such as call transcriptions or the creation of summaries. Data quality also increases at the same time. For field service technicians, there is a whole range of use cases that support the technicians' daily tasks, all leading to faster resolutions and happier customers. Let's look at one example, AI-guided troubleshooting. Imagine a technician on site facing a tricky problem. InsightLoop analyzes data, recommends solutions and guides them through the troubleshooting procedure, ensuring a swift resolution for the customer. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs by minimizing repeat visits. In addition, even less experienced technicians can solve complex problems as they have access to the entire knowledge of the organization. And finally, the use case factory. This feature allows you to continuously expand the capabilities of InsightLoop. Within a user-friendly interface, you can easily add use cases tailored to your specific needs. We ensure we deliver maximum value and cost savings to your service organization. Every day that such use cases are not implemented is a waste of money. So don't wait and get started today.